I started in public works as an engineering technician 1 to get my foot in the door. And within a few years, I worked my way up to an engineering technician 3 position.
I've been in various aspects of communications in public information since about the mid-2000s and in public works since 2008.
Growing up, my dad worked as a mechanic for our local public works department. After college, I worked for several environmental nonprofits, and that inspired my work in public works.
I wanted to do this job for the hands-on training and the opportunity to grow.
I really enjoy problem solving on projects that involve the environment and construction. Each project is unique and interesting and a great learning experience.
I wanted to make a difference, and I wanted to create safer workplaces. Being a safety professional, you never know what you prevent.
I love being able to support and serve the community that I live in.
I enjoy my job and the people that I work with. There just happens to be more men than women working here. Early in my career was challenging, but I quickly learned to build relationships and demonstrate that I belong.
Often I find myself being the only woman in meetings, but I have found a great network of men and women who are beyond supportive and great allies.
I see it as an opportunity to represent women and make sure our voice is heard. We have the chance to create a welcoming environment for more women that come behind us.
Over the years, I've seen some progress, but there's still a lot more needed at every level.
The most fun part about my job is the amazing team that I get to work with. I honestly look forward to my office days to work, laugh, and have fun with my team.
You get to do something different every day and help others.
For me, it's the creativity.
It's meeting people and learning new things. That's hard to beat.
It may sound corny, but we really do feel like a family here.
We want to do as much as we can to get more women in public works because typically it's male-dominated. So we attend job fairs and host events to try to bring more women into the fold. We try to have the women in our department represent us as often and as at many places as we can. For example, going into schools, talking about public works. It matters that they see women doing the jobs that they do.
We are actively creating, inviting, and inclusive environments and inviting other women to come join us. We promote a healthy work-life balance.
I co-founded an employee resource group called Women of Works. We provide a network to connect and build stronger relationships with one another. We offer support, training, and personal and professional growth opportunities. I love having a job that matters.
The biggest misconception about women in public works is that we don't want these jobs or that we can't do them. It's true that jobs in public works can be long, hard, tiring, and dirty. They're not for everybody, but to say that they're not for women is an untrue generalization.
I'd say there's endless opportunities for different trades, different professions, and different experience levels.
Each woman has their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Making assumptions on their capabilities and preferences is wrong.
One of the biggest misconceptions is that these jobs are primarily for men, and that's really not the case. Women are able to do a lot of the same jobs in public works that men do, and we do them.
Women can do this job and just as well, and don't let anyone tell you you can't.
My name is Lauren, and I'm an engineering technician.
My name is Sharon. I'm a communications section chief.
My name is Emma, and I'm the assistant director.
My name is Johnette, and I am a heavy equipment operator.
My name is Amy, and I'm an engineer.
My name is Tara, and I'm a safety analyst.
We are Public Works.